All right, so I'm about to spray some of this Homax Orange Peel wall texture on some repairs in this house, and I want to test it on this cardboard here. You see, it's really saturated. It looks to me, you know, it's not a sparse coating. So I want to practice on this cardboard, and I want to start very light, maybe go over it again and again. And looking at this can, I chose the oil based because it dries quicker than the water based. But looking at the can, there are two adjustments on here. This one is for the pressure, high or low, and it says low over here, high over here, high or low pressure. And then on the front is a dial that you can turn, and it says on the top texture, heavy or fine. And so I want to start with low pressure and a fine pattern. Okay? Shake it a lot because there's some very dense stuff in here that you got to get moving, and there is a ball in here. So if you don't hear the ball, I would keep shaking it. Ooh. Wow, that's amazingly high pressure, even on the lowest setting. Keep that in mind. These cans are about $20, so you know, it's kind of expensive, but this is about the size of the repairs I'm working on. And that doesn't look too bad right there. And I think once it's painted, it'll look even better, except for that big drip in the middle. But so it's, I mean, you got to be careful with that, right? Start way far away, and you know, you can always add to it. Can't take it's you can take stuff away, but it's going to be hard to do. I think that looks really good. And you know, the trick is, once this is painted, unless someone's looking for it, they're never really going to see it. The key is going to be me feathering in what's already up there, right? Being able to blend this into what's there. And the way I'm planning on doing that is just less and less and less as I get to that edge. So I'm going to go inside, we'll start spraying, show you what I'm doing.